Surge, heavy-duty liquid drain opener, delivers high performance without corrosive acids or irritating fumes. Surge pours through standing water to dissolve starches, fats, grease, hair, gums, and organic wastes with maximum effectiveness. Surge is safe and versatile. The non-acid formula will not harm plumbing fixtures, septic tanks, garbage disposals, or porcelain, while also being safer than acids for workers. Use Surge to unclog clogged drains, fix slow drains, and to routinely maintain drains to prevent future problems in industrial, healthcare, hospitality, educational, retail, and office settings.